Okay friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Hector from Static Solution after a long time, so sorry about that. So in today's video we're going to talk about storage problems. Storage problems are mostly occurring when you try to install or save some documents. You say you don't have enough storage. That's why in this video you will learn how to clean up your storage in two methods. The first method is to clean up cache. So the second method is to dial special code in your dial pad in your mobile phone. So now I will be showing you how to do the two methods in the mobile phone. So let's go. Okay friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Hector from Static Solution after a long time, so sorry about that. So in today's video we're going to talk about storage problems. Storage problems are mostly occurring when you try to install or save some documents. You say you don't have enough storage. That's why in this video you will learn how to clean up your storage in two methods. The first method is to clean up cache. So the second method is to dial special code. Okay friends, so now you can see my mobile screen. So now we are going to try the first method to clear cache. First go to settings. Now if you have another type of phone like Huawei, Apple, Nokia, just click storage if you have, but in my device it is storage is in device care. So I will go to apps. Then as you can see it shows how many MB or GB that I've used. So let's go to Chrome. So let's go to Drive, Google Drive. So now you can see the app information. So scroll down a little, then type storage, and you can see data, app, cache, and the total is 118 MB. That is in Drive. So now we are gonna clean the cache, and we should also clean data, but cleaning cache would help. If you clean data, it will erase some of your files. Okay, so you can try this to all the apps if you have a device like this, or you can go to storage and then clear cache. So now let's go to the second method. Okay, let's go to the second method. So open your dial pad, then type this number. So and star hash 9900 and again hash. Now after you type it, it will come says dump. So you should just click delete dump state locate like this, and dump result delete success. Okay, so this also helps to clean the storage. So the two methods are done. So you could try the both or try one.